Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss how you can create a gallery in your Divi WordPress website. So here you can see this is our demo website. Let me log in. Just we can add /wp-admin to log in our WordPress website. And after that, here I can add my login details. Then we can go in the pages. And I have created a page. Now we need to enable Divi Visual Builder. Here you can see page builder is loading. And after that, now we can use Divi Gallery module. So let's start from scratch. And after that, I can select one column row. Then here we can search for gallery. And after that, here you can see there is no image in the gallery. Now let's upload images. Select here. Then we need to select some images. Just use Ctrl+A command so that it will select all of images from your laptop. Then click open. Here you can see within a single click you can upload multiple images in your Divi WordPress website. Then if you want to remove one of the image, just you can click here and here you can see image is removed. Now again we can click here. Now this image is added in the gallery. Then select. So these are 6 images that we have added in the gallery. Now here you can see below captions. How we can remove these? Scroll down and go to elements. Then here we can disable these both. Now again go back. Then here you can see only 4 images are showing here, but we have uploaded 6 images. So now let's scroll down and here we can add 6. Okay. Now here you can see this is 4 column layout. And if you want to change this layout to 3 columns, how you can do that? Just go to advanced, then custom CSS. Now scroll down and here you can find gallery item. Here you can search for Divi gallery change number of columns. So here this is official website, elegant themes for the Divi theme. Then scroll down. And here we need to search for a code. Okay, this is the shortcode. Just you can copy and after that, let's add this code here. Gallery item. Now here you can see the layout is changed from 4 columns to 3 columns. And if you want to keep 4 columns, just we can remove this code. Okay. Now if you want to get 2 column layout, how you can do that? Just you can again add here code. Then here we can do 50. So now there are 2 columns in our gallery. And if you want to remove this gap between the images, how you can do that? Let's go to row settings, then design and sizing, then use custom gutter width. So now here you can see by default value is 3. Just we can add 1 and here you can see gap is removed. Okay, now let's go back to the gallery settings. And here you can add a background for your gallery. For example, I can select this one. Here you can see this is the background color. Now again we can remove this. Then go to design tab, layout. So there are 2 options, either we can select slider or grid. So let's change it to slider. So this is the slider view for the gallery images. Again we can change in the grid. Okay, now scroll down, then overlay. So now we can change this overlay icon color as well as background color, and also we can replace this icon. So you can select one of the icon and then scroll down, image. So now if you want to round these corners, just you can add here some value, for example 30. Now here you can see image corners are round. And also you can add some border to your images. Just you can increase the border width. Here you can see border is added. And if you want to change the border color, just you can select one of the colors. And if you want to add border from only one side, for example left side, you can use this option. Then here you can add value. Then here you can add border style as well as you can add box shadow. Now scroll down and here you can customize caption text. Then here sizing options. After that you can add spacing, then borders, and here you can see in the end you can add animations to your gallery images. So in this way you can easily add gallery in your Divi WordPress website.